Welcome to Aram Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to install Anydesk on your Mac and connect to it using your phone. First, open your browser such as Google Chrome and type in anydesk.com. Click the Download Now button. A DMG file will start downloading. Once it's done, open the file. Next, drag the Anydesk app into the Applications folder. Then double-click the Applications folder. Locate the Anydesk app and double-click it. A notice will pop up saying, Anydesk is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click the blue Open button. Once the app opens, a window will pop up asking for permissions. Click Open Screen Recording Preferences. A settings window will appear. In this window, click the toggle next to the Anydesk app. You will need to authenticate using your Touch ID or password. Afterward, you will see a notice saying, Anydesk may not be able to record the contents of your screen until it is quit. Click Later. Close the settings window. Return to the Anydesk app and click the Reload button next to the Open Screen Recording Preferences button. Then click the Request Accessibility button. Repeat the same process by clicking the toggle next to the Anydesk app and authenticate again using your Touch ID or password. Once done, close the settings window and then click Close. You will now see a blue notice that asks, would you like to install the Anydesk service? Click the underlined Install button at the bottom of this notice. Enter your password when prompted. The Anydesk app will close and reopen. Once reopened, click the hamburger menu in the top right corner of the app and click Settings. In the Security section, click Access. Click Unlock in the top right corner of the settings window and enter your password again. In the Unattended Access section, click Set Password. Choose a strong password, then click Change Password. After that, click Close. Make a note of the numbers displayed at the top of the screen. These are the numbers you will use to connect to your Mac from your mobile device. On your mobile device, go to a browser like Google Chrome or Safari. Type in anydesk.com. Click Download Now. You will be redirected to the Apple App Store or Google Play app. Install the app. When the app is installed, click Open. Type the number you see on the computer you want to connect to in the box above. Type in the password you set earlier. You should be able to interact with and observe your computer screen.